There are three ways to create variables in JavaScript. Let's talk about block scoping and function scoping. I'm going to create a new function and we will have a greet function. Let's create another variable by using var hello world. So I'm going to call this greet method. Now the message variable is available for this greet function. So var provides you function scoping. Let me execute that. So we need to log this message. Incredible. Here we have hello world. Let's try to access the message variable outside this greet function. Let me do that. Message. Let me refresh that. Incredible. Here we have message is not defined because var provides you the function scoping. Let me try to access message variable here. You will see the message is not undefined if you try to access as a global variable because message is undefined. So var provides you the function scoping. Let's do in this way. I'm gonna do if language is equals to English. Let's define the first language variable. Var language is equals to English. What I want to do here, I want to log the message. Let's create the variable first. Greet message. Hello world in English. Cool. Let's try to log that. Console.log greet message. I'm going to refresh that. Oops, here is a typo here, language. Let's try to access that. Incredible. Here we have hello world in English. Let's try to access this greet message outside this if block. Let me show you. Will you access that or not? Let me refresh that. Oops, there is a problem. Did you see that? Hello world in English. So that is a problem with var. You can access the function outside the block scoping. var does not provide you the block scoping. So how can you fix this problem? So there is a let here. Let provides you the block scoping. So you cannot use this greet message outside this block. Let's try to access that. Boom, here is an error. Greet message is not defined. You can also try to access that. Let's try to access that greet message. Incredible. Greet message is not defined. Let me change to var. Now let's try to access this greet message. Oops, there is a problem. You can access that because I have changed let to var. So if you try to use the let, you will not access this greet message. Let me refresh that. Now it's time to access the greet message. You will get the message, warning message, error. Bam. Here is a greet message is not defined. So you can also do in this way. Const means you could not change this greet message. Let me refresh that. Greet message. Cool. Here is a problem. Greet message is not defined. So that is the difference between var, let, and const. So there is another value. Let's talk about const. You could not change this value constant because it is constant. Let's try to change the value. I'm gonna put random string. Let me refresh that. Incredible. Assignment to constant variable, type error because you could not change the value of the constant. So var provides you the function scoping and let provides you the function scoping and block scoping.